Hello and welcome all. In this lecture, we'll be doing the concurrency testing for the edge case of a put request performance with JMeter. Earlier, we have seen in the previous lectures about get request performance and the post request. So let's go back to our JMeter, and I have opened up a project where I have got a get test with the view results tree. I've got so many items for the get in the current session of the web browser, where actually this is the uh, my web browser with the Swagger. Okay, so let's start again. Now here the easiest way to replicate a put request, and because put request also has an ID appended, and I have got a get by ID test. It's already testing, it is already running. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just copy it over here, copy everything, and then paste it on the thread group, paste it, and then change the name by to put to do items. All right, so instead of HTTP GET request, it is a put request, and I would like to see, I like to change or update the ID at 146, ID 146, and everything else is the same because I've copied it from the get by ID. And then save it. Saving changes the name to put to do item. Now everything else is the same. Only thing I have to add is I have to add a header. So config elements and HTTP header manager. Click on add. Name is the content type. In the request header, I'll put the content type explicitly as application/JSON. Okay, application JSON, and then save it again. Then view results tree. Nothing is there. Put to do item. I'm testing for to do item at the ID 146 by, and what is my body data? I have to yet write my body data. Now here I can get this body data. I'll copy this. Okay, and put it over here. So sample to do item changed. Let's see. Again save it. View results tree. Nothing is there. Run it. Voila. So it's fine. It's giving the green tick means the test has passed. So response body is nothing, no content because I have just actually updated it. So when you update, when you send an update request, HTTP request, then if everything is all right, if the request is well formed, then you get this 204 no content, but you can check for it by viewing here. So I'll just get rid of um, the existing result tree and start it. Now here I can see sample to do item changed at ID 146, which was done by this put to do item. Okay, so that marks the end of this put to do item concurrency testing. Hope it is understood by you. Okay, so leave, if you have any questions, please leave your remarks in the um, question and answer session or a message to the instructor.